Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here in the garage tonight, doing a little bit of goofing around, and I was actually out doing a little bit of shopping, had to do some errands, and I decided to stop by Walmart. It's actually the day after Black Friday, but I had heard that Walmart might be bringing out a special stock of these knives, so I thought I would swing by there and just see if there was any in there, and there just happened to be 6 of them in the store. Not wanting to be the big pig, I only bought 3 of them. But what I ended up getting was, and you guys have seen these all over the internet, so these won't come to any surprise to anybody, but I have the orange Ozark Trail. These are the D2 carbon Ozark Trail bar lock, slide lock pocket knives that I guess have been taking the internet by storm. The bug out killer, like some people call it. I did already do a little review on this one, which is kind of a less expensive, definitely less expensive version from Walmart that they just came out with for their what do you call it, Christmas knife display. But this one's been out for a while now. This is, and apparently they have a newer version of this. This is actually the older version without the reversible belt clip, but this is brand new. I just got them from Walmart half an hour ago. But they do have apparently a newer version out that has a spot where you can reverse the belt clip on the the newer ones. But anyway, so we're gonna take a look at them. I grabbed a couple extras, so maybe I could do a giveaway or something with them. I actually do have a couple extras of these white ones too, but let's go ahead and get it out. Let's see, it says 3.25 inch D2 high carbon steel blade, 4.25 injection molded handle, slide lock, and belt clip. So so these ones from I've seen, you can actually just, there goes the tip protector. So these ones, you can actually get them out of the container without destroying it. So let's see right off the bat. Closes up nice, flips out nice. So far, first one's good. But let me just compare the two. The texture of it, it's got a really grippy texture. So it's got these panels here, but even around the outside, it's got like a roughness that gives it a really nice grippy feel. This other one is pretty smooth, which I don't mind, but I think I like the grippiness a little bit better. So now this one is supposed to be D2 high carbon steel. Everything looks pretty good. I can see just a little tiny bit of glinting on the blade right there where my finger is. But let's go ahead and let's see here. Find a piece of paper. Digging through my targets here. Just about out of targets that are already shot up. Just got some regular notebook paper here. Wow. That is sharp. That is real sharp. That is real sharp. All right, let's do the parachute cord, standard 550 cord. So down by the bottom, no effort at all. In the middle, no effort at all. Out by the tip, no effort at all. just fell through it. Wow. So that definitely is a lot sharper than this one was right out of the box. So I have sharpened this knife already. I got a little roll on the blade there already. But, so I did sharpen this white one already. It was not, it's as sharp as that one is now, but that one was definitely not that sharp. But I am really pleased with this knife. I'm pleased with the white one too for $5. I'm pleased with this one for $10. Actually $9.97. But I first heard about this one from Cumberland Outdoorsman. Check out his channel. And then I did a little more research, and I'll get good at that. There we go. I like doing the thumb flipper better. But he did a lot of testing on these. They're very durable. I did see one guy was batoning this into a piece of hardwood and actually cracked a big chunk out of the blade. But who really does that, right? But we'll definitely put this one into the EDC carry. Got a lot of cool knives lately. This is another one that I'm really liking. Is the Gordon. This is they have a couple of different ones, but this is the one that's got G10 handles, and I really like this one the best. That one is like $7 or $8, but this Ozark is really nice. So let's compare these two side by side. See if I can flip them around the other way. They're very comparable. So really the main differences between the two is this one has a D2 high carbon steel blade. This one just says stainless steel blade. Who knows what it's made out of? And then the other big thing is this one has full liners, front to back, all the way down. So it's very stiff. You can't bend that at all. This one is the liners stop right here where the screw is, and then it's just plastic with ribbing in it, and it's plenty sturdy, but it's not sturdy like this one's sturdy. So, but there you go. We'll do more on this down the road, but I really wanted to give you guys a first look at this. Obviously, if you've watched this type of content anyway, you've already seen this guy, but stay tuned. I'm going to do a giveaway on it before Christmas, and so we can get some of these into people's hands before Christmas, and that'll be coming up soon. Hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.